Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within your Metamask wallet application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask wallet app on your device and you will be asked to enter your password in order to log in to your wallet. Just type in your wallet account password and then tap on the unlock button and you will be logged in and taken into your wallet homepage. Now from this page, if you wish to change the language for your account, then in order to do this, tap on the gear icon located at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the general options and you will now see the language option underneath current language. Just click on the drop down menu and this will now show you all of the different languages that are available for the Metamask app. Tap on your desired language and it will now be switched to your chosen one right away. You can go back to this setting at any time in order to revert back your language to whichever one you wish at any point of time in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Metamask wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.